Students, today I am gonna teach you the next part of our lesson, that is Tenali meets Babar. In first part we learned that Tenali tried a lot to make laugh to the courtiers, but no one is laughing. So what is the new plan, fresh plan of Tenali we are going to learn in this session. One day, Tenali disguised himself as an old laborer. He began digging at place he knew Babar visited every day. Babar was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango sapling. Babar says, "What are you doing?" Tenali says, "Your Highness, I am planting a mango sapling." Baba says, "But you appear quite old. Even in this sapling takes root, grows and bear fruits. What will you gain? Surely you won't be alive." Tenali says, "I am not planting it for my own sake, Your Highness, but for others. I enjoyed the fruits of the trees planted by my father. Now this tree will bear fruits too for those who will live after me. That will be my reward." "I like your idea. You are a kind man who cares for others. Take these coins and plant more trees," says the Babar. Accepting the gold, the old man bowed gratefully and says, "May God grant the emperor a long life. You see, normally people get fruit many years after planting a tree, but I got it immediately. It shows that consideration for others definitely reaps a rich harvest." The emperor asked again, "What happened?" That Tenali says, for that answer, that Babar, pleased by the old man's remarks, Babar gave him other bag of coins. "You have really made this old man happy. While this tree, when mature, will bear fruit only once a year, you have rewarded me twice already." "Well said. Again you deserve reward," says the Babar, and Tenali received a third bag of coins. At that time, "Your Highness, this old man appears to be quite wise. Let us move ahead before his petty utterance force you to empty your treasury right here." Babar smiled and began to walk away. Next page. "Your Highness, just cast a glance at me once again. I am your humble servant, Tenali Rama." Babar took Tenali to his palace and showered him with gifts. When Krishnadev Rai heard about Tenali Rama's triumph, he too rewarded him with gold coin and property, and Tenali Rama became even dearer to the king. Means what we know, that Tenali disguise means change the appearance. Disguised in old man and start digging to the where Babar came regularly. At that time, Babar asked him, "Why are you digging, or why are you sapling? Because you looking so old. When fruits came, at that time you are not alive." But the answer of Tenali is very important. He says that, "What happened? I ate the food which planted by my father, and I am not planting this for myself, for the next generation." That answer impressed the Babar, and so he Babar gave the gold coins back to the Tenali Rama. After that, Tenali says that what? See, you told me wait for the tree become matured, get fruit and for all that, but I get fruit immediately, the bag of coin. So, because of that answer also, that Babar became impressed and again gave them the coin. Again, Tenali says, see, a tree gives fruits once in a year, but I was gifted now immediately twice. Again, that Babar became impressed and again gave him rewards. But at that time, minister says, the utterance or the answers make us empty treasury. So, let's go away from here. And that time, again, that old man disguised in the form of Tenali Rama and said, see, I am Tenali Rama, your servant, and I am succeed to achieve your gift. So, like this, Tenali was succeed in getting the respect and getting the gifts from the Babar. And when that news heard by Krishna Dev Rai, he also gave him gift property. Understood? Okay.